Ciao tutti, a cosmic energy update, but this time I want to share with you about this new year that we entered recently. Actually, we are now just finishing the first 14 days, so the first 2 weeks of this yellow seed year, tone 7. And yellow seed is about planting seeds, about very, very targeted, um, growth. It's all about growth. And when we know that this is growth after the 6th year of this cycle of blue storm, that we just went through a very crazy transformative year, and all of us will have felt this transformative energy since July last year till now, the 24th of July this year. And of course, it's not like at that day it's finished. But I also just picked up that last year was all about restoring the divine masculine in us. And this year, with the growth and the yellow seed and the planting and the very targeted planting, is it's more about restoring the divine feminine in ourselves. And I must say, in between one year and the other, I wasn't really aligned to make videos. And now I get it, because I needed to smoothly come into this new energy to be able to align again with this frequency. And of course, on the 26th of July, we started this new year. And you can't make this up, do you? We also started the opening of the Lion's Gate, and this will be until the 12th of August. And that's why I have my hair like this, because I really feel the fire in me that wants me, or wants to speak through me, about this amazing cosmic rhythm and cosmic energy, the whole alignment that this gives to us. We really step out of the frequency of never having time, always shortness of time. And this is exactly why we moved from Belgium to Italy, to really reconnect with nature, to do what we love and love what we do, contribute, feel contribution, but also to reconnect to our natural rhythm, to our natural being, to realign, to being able to listen more to the voices inside, and the voices, this intuitive voice that is showing us or inspiring us to take action on specific inspirations and ideas that we have, creative ideas, and to do then this action and to follow that inspiration, like I am following now this inspiration to make these videos. And I feel that this year, this yellow seed year, is exactly an energy that is supporting us to really slowing down, but not in a way that we meditate and say and don't do anything, but like slowing down in pace, and slowing down in the 1260 calendar, and this whole thing about time is very specific. We are back now in one moon, and the first 2 weeks already passed, to reflect on what is my purpose. For me, it's Yellow Star, and Yellow Star is all about harmony. So I feel, as from a very small child, that I'm here to contribute to more harmony, a more harmonious society. And I could already feel that in the family where I was growing up, that there was no harmony, but it was my contribution to create more harmony. And in so many ways, I did that. And in so many ways, I had to learn how to create more inner harmony to be able to also create more harmony around me. But my first 40 years, um, I wasn't actually listening because there was no time for me to closely listen. When I was 41, my body really told me, you need to stop and listen. So I had to be in my bed listening for 5 weeks. I cried a lot. And there I really felt like, okay, Heidi, start to listen more to your intuition. I I started to do that. And in the end, 3 years later, we sold everything in Belgium. We came here in Italy and we started a whole deeper internal journey. It was a journey inside. So, whatever I felt I wanted to create in the outside world, I had to first go deeper inside of myself to find that inner rhythm, to find that inner harmony, to be able to come also in these videos, to come from an integrated inner harmony and to be able to share this with you from another frequency so that whatever I say in these videos comes from um, a deeper innocence. And this deeper innocence, yellow seed, it's about innocence. And this whole journey about frequencies, about universal alignment, about um, how can we really, live in more synchronicity, more daily quality of life, a better health. Um, a deeper understanding of who we are as human beings. Um, I feel that this whole calendar and this whole way of life, this whole movement with the weeks, with the 28 days, with these 13 moons that start on the 26th of July, that all have a theme, is supporting me and my husband and many people around me on living in a more natural cosmic alignment, just as so many old cultures were always doing. 3,000 years ago, so many cultures were living like this. And it's such a pity that so many of us, um, yeah, just are just living in such a pace and such a speed that it's really degenerating every essence of who we are. So it's so difficult to be, for me it was so difficult to be in Belgium in my corporate job and my company, to find that alignment, to find that that more rhythmic, aligned, inner harmonic frequency, to be able to really live and feel that we are living, and to contribute then by just being me, um, and being able to listen and to act on all these inspirational voices inside of me, this fire inside of me, because I'm a balance in my zodiac sign, but I'm a lion in in my moon sign. So I was actually suppressing my lion energy, um, in these last years, especially not coming out with that lion energy. Um, because I first had to refine that inner balance and that inner harmony by by really listening to myself and to find that sweet spot actually um, to um, to be able to share all of this wisdom and all of this knowledge that I tried to integrate and now try to find words in all this transparency and all this spontaneity. So bear with me. It's not yet aligned, all of this. Like it's not, yeah, it's really not studied, and but it's integrated. I try to find words in a very spontaneous and very transparent, very blue monkey way, to really share with you the journey and the what is my purpose alignment that I feel, and the fact that this year of the yellow seed will help us all and to grow in this more and to really yeah find more inner harmony and to be able to grow from that and to be able to move with all of this. And I committed myself to do these videos, and I will continue to do these videos because it's such a beautiful thing to do, to share how this helped me to move more and come more from this inner harmony, so I can contribute to my mission to contribute to a more harmonious society. So thank you very much. And I will come back on this theme again on this yellow seed energy because we are still here for the rest of the year until next 24th of July. So, yellow seed growth. We are in moon one, halfway through it. What is my purpose? And we are playing with the energy of blue monkey, and Blue Monkey, it's all about transparency, humor, spontaneity, the playfulness of the inner child. And yeah, it's a fiery day today. So I thought, let's share my fire in balance with my balance energy. So have a great weekend and see you soon again. Toodaloo.